Hey, what's going on? This is Felix. I hope you're all doing well. And if you're watching this video right now, you probably were researching this website called 𝗓𝗏𝗀𝗃.com. Whether it's a legit website and can you really earn any money on it? And if you do, how much of it can you realistically earn? And if the reason of your research is supplementing your current income or replacing it, then I included a link in a video description below this video where you can learn how to use my favorite strategy to get anywhere from 5 to 10 grand per month, all from the comfort of your home. So let's take a look at 𝗓𝗏𝗃.com and see if it is worth your time or it's a complete waste of your time. We are right now on this website, and first and foremost I have to address what 𝗓𝗏𝗃.com is, and it's a globally available GPT get paid to platform that enables users to earn various rewards, including cash and cryptocurrencies, for completing online tasks such as playing games, downloading and testing apps, completing surveys, signing up for brand offers, and more. It is important to know that 𝗓𝗏𝗃 is free to use, and which is a good thing. Apparently is a way for anyone seeking to earn some extra income. Although, quoting the site's blog article, it is even possible but rather challenging to make a full-time income using 𝗓𝗏𝗃.com. Let's address the legitimacy of this site. The parent company of 𝗓𝗏𝗃 is legally registered in Germany, and the name of this company is 𝗓𝗏𝗶𝗀. And all the relevant information about this company is available to the public. So based upon this, we can make a safe assumption of the legitimacy of this platform. Now, so let's see if any substantial amount of money can be earned. So for this, I will create an account and enter the site. I already did create an account, and right now we're on a blog side of it, but let's see what we have for offers here. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of different offers. Dice Dreams for iOS, Dice Dreams for Android, and if you see that for iOS they pay slightly less than for Android. Let's see why. Okay, if we're going to click here for iOS, play Dice Dreams and dream multiple rewards, complete in-app rewards with 50 days to earn cash back by completing in-app purchase to finish all tasks faster. Alright, so it's more than a month and a half to earn $121. Okay, so let's see what tests we should do. Rewards. $121 for high score. So if you reach highest score, you will earn $121.10. Now, to install the app, you're going to earn $10. You're going to earn $30 for reaching Kingdom 19 within 10 days, $40 for reaching Kingdom 36 in 21 days, and $51 Kingdom 51 within 50 days from install date. Okay, so I would assume if you're going to add up all these numbers, it would add to $121. Seems to me it's a heck of a long time you have to spend in order to earn $121. But okay, Let's see what's the deal with Android. If you click on Android, $5 cashback after you spend in-game a total of $5. So I don't know why, but you have to spend $5 in-game to earn $5. Okay. Cashback after you spend in-game a total of $20 to earn $15. Sounds kind of sketchy to me. 10 cents to install. Reach Kingdom 19 within 10 days of install date. Reach Kingdom 36 to install. Well, basically, again, it's the sum of $147, but looks like you have to spend $25 in order to earn $147 in total. Okay. Long time, and if you ask me, that would be already kind of a put off for me. I feel like it's a waste of time already. Domino Dreams, $50 in iOS, and an Android $43. Solitaire Cash. Capital One, sign up, $8. All right, let's take a look at that one. So, earn $8. Capital One shopping is a simple and free way to help you save online. Save on all your online shopping directly from your browser. Okay, you're gonna get paid $8 to install the Safari browser, and probably because you are on Android, and if you were on iOS, well, it does say iOS, so strange. iOS already has Safari, but I guess you have to go into it to start earning, and they will tell you. By the way, I also think, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, see, it says complete the bar to unlock advanced mode, and you would be able to see the leaderboards, events, free cash rewards, premium offers, and so on and so forth. Okay, and that's probably by them sending you an email to the email you would provide to them, and that would activate your account entirely, because I did not do that. Okay, so all in all, I'd say that in my book, it's a waste of time. Judging by the amount of time you have to spend in order to earn a substantial payout, I can safely say, to me, it's not worth it. I would definitely consider it a waste of time, and any offer that requires less time that we looked at to complete a task also will, amount to a much longer time. Okay, I reckon anywhere from $8 to $10 per day to earn $10. Do your math. Now, if it sounds like a good idea to you, and you have lots of time on your hands to earn $10 to $12 a day, and that is if you're really good at it, then definitely check this site out, as it really is safe. Okay, and it's legit. However, if you're just like me, and if you feel it's a waste of time, then you can use your time wisely. After all, time is finite. And I'd suggest you click on the link below this video to learn how to apply the strategy. And it's my favorite strategy that lets you earn 5 to 10 grand a month, all from the comfort of your home. Click on the link below and I will send it to you right away, completely free of charge. No need to pay for anything. So that's it for today. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on another video review. Bye.